Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, December 28th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. I'm glad to be back. Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Looking forward to a very good 2024. Interesting, 2 days to go in the trading year. SPY's low of the year was the first trading day this year. They made a new high on the year yesterday. It would be pretty amazing if they're able to get their all-time high on either today or the last day of the trading year. That would be, talk about an open and drive. Market opened up on the first day of trading this year and drove straight up and never looked back. Pretty impressive. Right now, as you can see, both ES and NQ, new all-time highs in the pre-market and the overnight. We have a poor high at the all-time high here and a poor low at our overnight low. Righty, which has really been fueling the charge also. Right now, their overnight is inside of yesterday's range. Yesterday was a very quiet day, lackadaisical day, wide pox for all of us. As far as our daily on ES and SPY, you can call it balance, you could call it balance to up, since we have been making new highs. So we'll see how that plays out. 2 days to go. We'll see. Look, at some point, I can't imagine SPY does not hit an all-time high to get into step with the ES, just the way triple Qs and NQ have. Okay? The Dow has been making multiple new highs, all-time highs this month also. So game plan for today. Well, look at M period from yesterday. We talk about M period all the time, how erratic and unpredictable it is. It almost traded the entire range yesterday. It actually probed late in the day yesterday. They pushed down, got within 3.5 points of the day's low, and then went up and made a new high on the day. So M's range encompasses all of yesterday. Why is that important? Because we have found in the subsequent days, if you get acceptance into M, good chance you trade all of it. So if we can't get back above yesterday's high and we get the overnight low first, well, there's a good chance we should at least go and get that 11 white POC. Value is going to play an important part, right? The worst thing, right? The bulls. So bulls, I think, need to hold A and B's high, which was a poor high early yesterday, right? We ripped above it in H, failed, and now we ripped above it in M. So that if you do get any pullback, you would like to hold that, because that's where change attempted to take place in H and M, and it's basically where value high is. And the acceptance back inside of value yesterday, you could easily trade yesterday's range. So that's going to be an important factor. So if you want to front run the overnight low, you can certainly do that. And then I would use A and B's high as my out if it got below it. On any push up, again, the market has a history in ES and SPY to front run overnight, so you could also take a short against the overnight high. Again, these are all early plays. Basically, the same scenario in NQ. And then on the chart, and don't forget, tomorrow we'll be recapping not only the day and the week and the month, but also the year. As we look forward to 2024. So let's just go over SPY and ES right now. Our monthly, one-time framing up, healthy. It's up. Still looking for that 479.98 all-time high. We'll see if they're going to get it either today or tomorrow. The weekly, this is 9 weeks now of one-time framing up. Look, is it getting stretched? Possibly, but the market will tell you when it's tired, right? Think about how many people after 3 weeks said it can't go higher. After 6 weeks, we can't go any higher. Well, they're saying the same thing now after 9 weeks. Those people have blown accounts and or are not trading anymore. So keep that in mind when you're trying to pick tops or bottoms. And then the daily, again, I'm calling it balance to up. I got to give the bulls some due here, because we are one time framing up 3 days out of an inside day. Listen. Couple of days left in that offer, $225 payable through Venmo or PayPal. 10% goes to St. Jude's. You're helping a good cause while also getting into a trading room where we teach and educate 6.5 hours a day for an incredibly affordable price. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.